Question 13. 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9. So from here we have to find out the real thing. How? Look, this 16y square we can write 4y square, and here is a square and here is a. So we can make factorize this expression. How? First we take common. It will be a square plus 6a plus 9. Now this one is a 4y square minus this 9 we can write like a square 3a plus 3a plus 9. It means 3 times 3 is a 9 and 3a plus 3 is a 6a. Now here is a 4y square minus, from here we can take common a, so it will be a plus 3 and plus 3, here is also a plus 3. Okay, now here is a 4y square minus, from here we can take common a plus 3, so it will be like a plus 3 and a plus 3. So finally this one we can write 4y square and here is a plus 3 whole square. So it's looking a square minus b square. We can write 4y plus a plus 3 and 4y minus a plus 3, and it will become like 4y plus a plus 3 and here is a 4y minus a minus 3. This is our answer. So once we factorize the 16y square minus a square minus 6a minus 9, this expression, we will get 4y plus a plus 3 times 4y minus a minus 3. Number 13 done. Number 14. 8a plus ab cube. From here we can take common a, so 8 plus p cube. Now this 8 we can write 2 cube plus here is a p cube, right? So now it's a very simple. We know a cube plus b cube formula, which is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square, right? So this case it will be, here is a what? Here is a, it's a, right? This is a. So a, and here is a 2 plus p and 2 square minus 2 times p plus p square, right? So our answer will be a 2 plus p and here is a 4 minus 2p plus p square. Okay, so number 14 done. Number 15. 2a cube plus 16b cube. I'm writing here is a p cube. Actually this one is a b cube. Now first we take common 2, so it will be a cube plus 8b cube. Now this is a 2a cube and this 8b cube we can write 2b then cube. 2 cube means 8 and b cube is a b cube. So it's looking a cube plus b cube. Finally we can write a plus 2 and then a square minus 2a plus 2 square means 4. This is our answer. So number 15 done. Number 16. X square plus y square minus 2xy minus 1. So here is a xy, right? This one we can write x square minus 2xy plus y square and minus 1. Same thing, just we are synchronized. So it's looking a square minus 2ab plus b square, it means we can write x minus y whole square minus 1. 1 can be write 1 square. So it's a square minus b square. So it's a x minus y plus 1 and x minus y minus 1. This is our answer. So number 16 done. Number 17. A square minus 2ab plus 2b minus 1. So from here we can write, if we take common a, nothing will happen, but here is a 2b and here is a 2ab and here is a 1. So how can we solve this one? Look, here is a square minus 1 and here is a minus 2ab plus 2b. Now this a square minus 1 we can write a plus 1 and a minus 1, right? Minus. If we take common minus 2b, so here is a minus 1. Now we can take common a minus 1. So it will be a plus 1 minus 2b. This is our result. Very simple. Number 18. 18 is important math, like x to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. So we can write like x square, then square, it's a square, like minus 2ab. 2a means x square and b means 1 plus b square, it means 1 square, right? So we can write this on x square minus 1 whole square, right? So look, a square, x square minus 1, it's looking a plus 1, a square minus b square. So this one we can write x plus 1, x minus 1 and then whole square. So finally we can write this one x plus 1 whole square and x minus 1 whole square. This is our answer. So number 18 done. Number 19. 36 minus 12x plus x squared. So how can we solve this one? This 36, if we factorize, so 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 6, 4 times 9 and 6 times 6. So 6 plus 6 is a 12. So we can write 36 minus 6x minus 6x plus x squared. So we can take common 6. So here will be 6 minus x minus, once we take common x, it will be 6 minus x. So finally it's become 6x minus 6 minus x, again 6 minus x, and final result is 6 minus x whole square. Number 19 done. Question 20. 6 to the x to the power 6, y to the power 6. There are lots of ways we can solve this one, like x cube and cube. What? It's a wrong thing. Look, a to the power b to the power c, it will be a to the power b times c. So if we multiply, it will become 9. But we have to make this one is a 6. So let's say we can write x square and then cube. Same thing, y square and then cube. Okay. Now it's looking a cube minus b cube. So in this case we can write x square minus y square and then x square square plus x square y square plus y square square, right? Next, this one we can write x plus y and then x minus y, and here is x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. Okay, and this is our answer.